Come on, Joe.
Let's have some fish. Have some more.
We've come down to Perch.
It's not bad. It's not a nice depth, isn't it? To be fair, it's not like too much. I mean, I'd laugh if I got a barbel here, like.
Well, that bloke had that fucking from DNA had that. Was it 17 or 18 pound drop them stairs?
Christ, that is a beast.
An old relic.
Got a right trainer bait going in here, aren't we? The right line.
Mate, bream come across us now here. Boom. Instant wins, bream. Start bringing one just to bream.
It's just having to straight in. Oh, I've just lost it. What a bad fish that.
Mate, that was a good fish, that. Was that a wafter?
Yeah.
Mate, that was some quality. Snapped you, wasn't it?
No, it's all alright. It's just.
That was solid, whatever that was.
I just caught it in the corner of my eye there. It was absolutely. I wouldn't like to say what that was really.
That was when you picked one up there. It was on there.
That was on pink. It was on tuna. Get on.
Oh, it's come off.
Oh, it's catching, Pete. It's catching.
Oh, no.
It's catching, Shag. It's a top box. Who's waving here?
We're ready if you get a bream.
Eh?
We're ready if you're going to get a bream.
Oh, mate, what was it like last time?
Proper clit.
I had to throw them trousers away. Not even joking.
Proper clited him up. Meant they had that mad bite straight away, then just. Nah. Just gnashed. It's a busy river, innit, Ouse, really?
It is in Lisbon. It's a slab. That's a bream.
Go on, lad.
Is it a bream or a perch? Jabba's got a fucking shoelace on. That's a shoelace, mate. Is it a bream? Is it a bream or a big slab?
Oh, it is a slab, yeah? It is a slab.
Nice one. Quickly pass this out before you get to me. Jaws into the old bream.
It's not a bad one, Joe, that. Oh,
Oh, get it in.
get it in. A bream.
Yeah. It's not a shark, is it?
No.
No.
Is that maggot, Joe, that?
Corn.
Not corn. You said they like corn, Pete, didn't you? You did say.
A little corn on the corn. Is it inedible? That's not a bad one, Joe. Inedible. That's good, isn't it? There's a choppy out here. Not so bad, man. Three and a half, man.
They're here, they're not. That slabs, they're about.
God, no, they'll be proud of you, mate.
Nice bream, that, mate.
Good bite, Joe.
Yeah.
There's no way on God's planet Earth you'd ever hit one of them bites. They're like fucking, you'd have to be some out of matrix.
No, they're just looking.
Weeny fast, man.
Is that on bread as well?
Yeah.
They're quite sporadic at fish on Ouse, aren't they, really?
Yeah.
They're not like right through it, are they?
Some areas are miles better than others.
Reminds me of like canal fishing.
Try one of them wafters then.
Oh, I've got them all, mate. I've got full set.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, I've got cell, krill, tuna and pineapple.
Which ones seem to be working in there?
My favourites have been cell, white cell.
Have they?
I don't babble on them. I like them because they're just always in bag. Here we go. Straight away. That was a little liner. You know, they're just always ready to go, like.
Go on, baby!
Go on, baby. No, mate. I was definitely getting a few liners before, then it just stopped.
Yeah, I saw you get that first.
Right. I'm gonna have to try a maggot.
Get on them. Get on the mag.
He's got hot tunes on his jaw. Get them, man.
Get a few.
I won't need many, mate. Only for hook. Cheers, pal. Couple of wrigglers.
To see if you get bites, that's what I'm thinking.
Couple of wrigglers. Shall I change my link? Fuck it, I'll do it. I'll do it. We'll fully commit. Oh, yeah. There we go. On maggot. Show's done it, sat on them wafters. Not doing it for you, either.
Not wrong this one, anyway. That one good, didn't you?
Perch. Perch. Oh, Perch felt sorry for me. Crafty old Perch. Oh, here we go. Here we go.
That is a shoelace. I'm telling you now. I can tell that.
Oh, I've had a little dab and all.
That's a shoelace, mate. Oh no, maybe not. It's coming in too easy now, isn't it?
Is that maggot jaw?
Yeah, magic.
Oh, it's got a bream again.
Oh, Joe's absolutely slaying them. Go on, brother.
Oh, Joe.
Absolutely got them rocking now.
Let me rub me all over you or something.
Oh.
You'll get a bream, Rich. All I do.
There'll be hell to pay.
That means they're coming my way.
Oh, I took out maggots.
Yeah. You'll be fishing for England team next week.
I know they're bringing you up, Joe.
I'm like, hey, on. I'm striking when it's going round. You're making it hard. you're putting pressure on us. Let me take the cork over now, so that might as well just be fucking game over. Joe's only sneaking into, he's not even in middle look, he's on clip. So by the time it comes back
Because
to
I
him,
just put a bit in, I know it.
so by the time it comes back to him, he's only like a rub length out.
Just leave it. They don't like all that striking. Must be on. No. You let it rattle and rattle and rattle.
Yeah, that's what I'm doing, mate. It's there.
Mate, if you would had another bream there, that'd have been buck wild.
Time to back up and just film Joe, I think.
Just get it all on, Joe.
Joe, here we go.
But it's got some speakers in there, like. Oh. Yeah. No, no. Oh no, yeah, yeah.
Led into a false sense of security.
Yeah, it's tiny.
Oh, I've got a little popper dog.
Popper dom, as you say, Pete.
Chicken squiff. No chicken squiff he's got.
Oh, get in.
And I'll stand from there.
We made it onto a few iPhones there. We're famous now.
Being pasted on.
Yeah.